Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Forest on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. This song primarily uses 4 open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Focus on cleanly fretting each chord and transitioning smoothly between them. A good exercise is to play each chord for 4 beats, then switch to the next, maintaining a steady rhythm. This builds muscle memory for the song's progression. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for Forest is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. The first downstroke of each measure should be slightly accented to give the song its characteristic feel. Practice this pattern slowly at first, perhaps at 80 beats per minute, gradually increasing your speed to a comfortable 100 beats per minute. The core of Forest lies in its simple yet effective chord progression. For the verses, you'll primarily cycle through G, C, D, and M. The chorus might emphasize the D and G chords a bit more, creating a sense of resolution. Pay close attention to the song's structure. It's mostly repetitive, making it easier to learn once you have the basic progression down. Practice playing along with the original track to nail the timing and feel. To truly master Forest, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice each day. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and help you stay in sync with the song's rhythm. Don't be afraid to record yourself. Listening back can highlight areas where your chords aren't clean or your strumming is inconsistent. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.